Guys, today I have some cool open back wireless earbuds from TrueFree, and I'm going to tell you why these might just be the earbuds that you're looking for, and they're coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, the TrueFree 01 open back earbuds. Now, if you don't know TrueFree, well, they're a sub-brand of Soundpeats, and I have reviewed a lot of their products, and generally they're very good. But these TrueFree 01s are open back, and that means they don't block out your entire ear, so you're always aware of your surroundings at all times. And guys, that is a good thing. If you're using these for sports, or you're out and about, running, cycling, whatever, no brainer. Now, before we get into it guys, TrueFree sent me these 01s to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And you know guys, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and you've got some instructions. You've also got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and you know what guys, I'm definitely waiting on the day that we see USB-C to USB-C cables, but you know what, it is what it is. We also have the charging case that houses the earbuds. Now, as these are a kind of hybrid between bone conduction and true wireless earbuds, they are in a fairly big case. Typically you see the bone conduction stuff is kind of like on a fixed neck band. However, TrueFree have kind of gone for separate earbuds, which, you know what, I think adds a degree of flexibility and style. Now, looking around the case, and like I said, yeah, it's kind of big, but don't worry, you're not going to need to carry it around too much, as battery life alone on just the earbuds is a massive 10 hours. And on the case itself, well, this is going to give you a total of 45 hours. So yeah, in this case, size doesn't matter. On the front of the case, we have some LEDs for battery status, and we have the USB-C charging port on the back. Open up the case and you can see the earbuds in all of their glory. They are incredibly well built, and you know what, even though they're big, they are surprisingly light and comfortable, as you know what, you don't have anything sticking in your ears, and really, you kind of forget you're wearing them after a while. Now, like I said, these are open back, and if you're not familiar with this tech, it simply means that you have nothing in your ears that would cause you to lose contact with your surroundings. These rest on the ear, keeping you in touch with the rest of the world, and that's a good thing. And these also use 16.2mm dynamic drivers, which are pretty big, but they need to be big because as they're not sound isolating, you kind of need to get as much air moving to drive the sound as possible. You also get Bluetooth 5.3, and that comes in the flavour of multipoint, which enables you to connect to multiple devices. So for example, you could be watching a movie on another device like a tablet or something like that, and if a phone call comes in on your phone, you won't have to manually switch devices. It all happens automatically, which is pretty neat. And like I said guys, you do get awesome battery life, but just to note, there is no wireless charging on this, and you don't get any fast charge either. But you know what, as long as you have the case in your bag, you're not going to have to charge these bad boys for probably 2 days. You also get IPX4 water and sweat proof rating, but you know what guys, that is for light rain and light splashes, so there's no swimming with these bad boys. So anyway, these are earbuds, so let's get them paired up and see how they sound. Now, listening to a bunch of different material, you know what, I was pleasantly surprised. The audio was fairly neutral and the highs were crisp. Now, TrueFree talk about the bass being good, etc, etc, but you know what, for me, I didn't think there was much bass to speak of. However, for a set of earbuds that are open backed and that are not plugged into your ears, I think this is as much as you can expect to get. I've reviewed a ton of different types of open earbuds, and you know what? When it comes to bass, they're all much of a muchness. But on these O1s, you know what? The highs and the mids were really quite good. I also made some test phone calls because you know what? Yeah, of course you can use these for phone calls. And you know what? All of my callers said they could hear me clearly. And even in fairly noisy surroundings, the environmental noise cancellation seemed to be doing a pretty good job. These O1s use 4 microphones to pick up external sounds, and then advanced algorithms are used to filter out the unwanted noise. So that's pretty clever stuff, right? So guys, there you have it. These TrueFree O1s are amazing value for money. They bring you very nice sound quality and they have awesome battery life. They normally retail for around £49.99, which is cheap in my opinion. And right now, at the time of this video going live, you can pick these up on Amazon for £39.99, which is insane. Look guys, these aren't ever going to be replacements for your audiophile quality earbuds, headphones, whatever that you listen to, you know, music that you really want to listen to in a quiet place and you're relaxing or whatever you're doing. But if you're out and about and you know you're engaging in sports, cycling, running, whatever, and you want to stay connected to the outside world while being connected to the outside world, these are a very good buy. I'll leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see any more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching, and thanks to TrueFree for sending me these really cool earbuds to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.